Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Manju Sharma. Today we will study about the process of microsporogenesis. Firstly, what is microsporogenesis? The term microsporogenesis refers to the process in which the formation of microspore or pollen grains from pollen mother cell through meiosis cell division takes place. In microsporogenesis, firstly, the cells of sporogenous tissue undergo meiotic divisions to form microspore tetrad. Now, what is microspore tetrad? The microspore, as they are formed, are arranged in a cluster of 4 cells. These structures are called microspore tetrad. As the anther matures and dehydrates, the microspores dissociate from each other and develop into pollen grains. Inside each microsporangium, several thousands of microspores or pollen grains are formed that are released with the dehiscence of anther. On the basis of organization of pollen grains, the microspore tetrads are of 5 types. First one is tetrahedral, second is isobilateral, third is decussate, fourth is T-shaped, and fifth one is linear. Now, what is tetrahedral microspore tetrad? Pollen grains are arranged in 2 different planes. 3 grains are in one plane and one lies over the other 3. These type of microspore tetrads are commonly found in dicot plants. Second one is isobilateral. All the 4 spores are formed in one plane because of the spindle of first and second meiotic division remain at right angle to the one another. This type of spore tetrad is commonly found in monocots. Third one is decussate. The pollen grains are arranged in one plane forming rhomboidal shape. The example of this is found in Magnolia grandiflora. Fourth one is T-shaped. The upper or lower of the dyad undergo a vertical or longitudinal division instead of transverse, yielding T-shaped configuration. The last one is linear. When the pollen grains arranged in a linear fashion in a such way that each pollen, each microspore product remain adjacent to the one another. Now, what is microspore? Microspore or pollen grain is the first cell of male gametophyte. It is unicellular and haploid, and its shape varies from species to species or oval to polyhedral. Now, what is the structure of pollen grain? The pollen grain has a prominent 2-layered wall. The outer wall is called exine and the inner one is called intine. The outer wall exine is made up of sporopollen. The sporopollen is one of the most resistant organic material. It can withstand high temperatures and strong acids and alkali. There is no enzyme known which degrade sporopollen. Pollen grain exine has prominent aperture called germ pore. Germ pore helps in the formation of pollen tube and the release of the male gametes during fertilization. The inner wall of pollen grain is called intine. It is thin and continuous layer made up of cellulose and pectin. The cytoplasm of pollen grain is surrounded by plasma membrane. When the pollen is mature, it contains two cells. One is vegetative and second is generative cell. Vegetative cell is bigger, has abundant food reserve and a large irregularly shaped nucleus. The generative cell is small and floats in the cytoplasm of the vegetative cell. It is spindle shaped with the dense cytoplasm and a nucleus. In next video, we will study about female reproductive structure of the flowering plant. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching my video.